Where's Lucy?
Oh, don't worry, she'll be with us soon enough.
So why are you doing all this, Doc? What are you hoping to accomplish?
You turned the television on lately? Read the newspaper?
Never cared much for that stuff.
Then, let me sum it up for you. The world's a mess. It's pathetic, really. You've seen it firsthand yourself. 1,000 years between you and your ancestor, and society remains just as barbaric, just as stupid.
And your point is?
Order, Mr. Miles. The world needs order. That is what we're working towards, and that is what you're helping us to achieve.
You expect me to believe you're building a better tomorrow?
That's exactly what we're doing. The human race calls out for direction. They want to know why they're here, what they're meant to do. Well, we're going to tell them. And once they understand how to live their lives, everything will be better.
Better how?
An end to all conflicts, large and small. Isn't that what you assassins strive for? Peace in all things?
I told you, I'm not an assassin.
Right.
I still don't see where I fit into things.
In time, Mr. Miles. In time, you'll understand. Or you won't. I don't care either way, as long as you show us where it is.
Where what is?
Sorry I'm late. Ready to go?
Yes, we are.
I need you to lie down, Desmond.
Climb tall structures to gain a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. Tall buildings can be used to orient you.
You've done well, Altair, and I'm confident that this is but the first of many successes.
Tamir spoke as if he knew you well. He implied my work had a larger meaning.
Significance comes not from a single act, but the context within which it is performed. The consequences born of it.
Then is there more I need to know?
Altair, your greatest failure was born of knowing too much. If I choose to withhold information, it is only to ensure you do not make the same mistake a second time.
I see.
No, you don't. And it will remain this way until you've learned your lesson. Still, you have performed competently, and as such I restore a rank and will return a piece of your equipment. Go now, either to Akka or Jerusalem. There are men in both cities who require your attention. The Bureau leaders can tell you more about what needs to be done.
When will he stop acting like a fool?
Altair, it seems my students do not fully understand what it is to wield a blade. Perhaps you could show them what you know. Perfect. The work of a master. You must be busy. I understand.
Die here!
You must be busy. I understand. Don't toss your weapons around so carelessly. You won't often get a second chance.
How reckless can one get? I wonder what he's up to. He's going to hurt himself. If he does, I won't help him. Why is he running around like that? Why is he doing that? Ah!
Remember to reach out for ledges should you fall while climbing.
Watch yourself.
n'a pas pu quitter la ville. Alors restez aux aguets.
Death to the
Puisse le
assassin!
Seigneur me
Go
donner
back here!
Écoute-moi. Vite les souffles. Ramenez-le-moi. Trouvez l'endroit où il se cache.
He's over here!
Là-bas. Il ne doit pas s'échapper. Plus vite. Cherchez partout. Le voilà.
Assassina! Haltet high! Heathen, you're paying! Anyone see where he went? He probably ran to some other part of the city. Yeah, yeah. Ascendez! C'est un assassin! Tu ne peux pas... Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Ya! 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 You've no reason to be here. Leave now. Ya! I'll have your head. Understand! C'est lui! Attrapez-le! Tu t'échappes pas! Là-bas! Il ne doit pas s'échapper! Wasting my time! An assassin! He's an assassin! Good Lord, don't make me laugh. I'm supposed to be afraid of Wirst deine Strafe nicht entkommen! Höre den Ton, Rotten! Was ist mit mir, du Siegen? Wird dir niemals vergeben! In die Rache Gottes! Du hast es noch nicht gemacht, aber du verteidigst verloren, wirst deine Strafe nicht entkommen! Höre den Ton, Chase him down! This place is restricted. Be gone! You won't get away that easily! Don't you know you've already gone? Found the time! I'm supposed to be afraid of you, I'll catch you! You can't run forever! You're done for! Just give up! I see him! You can't get away from me! I'm not a dinner! Put you down! They're all in! Not in this island! Get der euch entlaufen, mit mine! Even less than good guy for that!
You can create diversions with dead bodies. Soldiers will leave their posts to investigate them, allowing you to enter the area they were guarding.